Raldoron served as the first captain of the Blood Angels during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A dour presence, bereft of conviviality, the first captain of the Blood Angels would excel at reading the emotional and cognitive intent of his battle brothers. Commanding with a fluid and robust command style, Raldoron would also earn a reputation as one of the greatest warriors the Imperium had ever seen. Compared in martial prowess to Astartes such as Abaddon of the Lunar Wolves, Sigismund of the Imperial Fists, and Jago Sevatarian of the Night Lords. Raldoron would wage war over many joint campaigns, including the war against the Nephilim on Melchior alongside the Lunar Wolves. Accompanying his gene father Sanguinius to the Edict of Nicaea, Raldoron would be further honored with the title of Equerry to his Primarch, an honor that would be tested during the dark days of the Horus Heresy. Aiding in the defense of the Siege of Terra, Raldoron would be stationed at the Helios Gate of the Imperial Palace. Fighting alongside Maximus Fane of the Imperial Fists, he would duel Gendor Skyvok of the Night Lords, injuring the Night Lords seemingly unto death and defending the honor of his legion, and further cementing his view of the Night Lords being a legion comprised entirely of evil souls. As the Siege of Terra waged and waned, Raldoron would be redeployed to aid Jagatai Khan, Custodi Constantin Valdor, and Marshal Aldana Agafe to face the traitor Death Guard Legion and their demon hordes. Surviving the engagement, Raldoron would inherit the tragic task of leading the Blood Angels Legion after the death of his father, Sanguinius, at the hands of Horus Lupercal. Raldoron would carry his father's remains to their sacred homeworld of Baal, interring the great angel into his final resting place. With the beginning of the scouring of traitors across the galaxy, Raldoron would serve the now Codex-compliant chapter as its first chapter master. His blade sundering the enemies of his Imperium, his legend would live on, despite his fate being lost to history.